everyone, my name is Muskan.
And my name is Roshni.
So today we are going to show you guys what's in a bag.
You want
Let's
to
start with you. No, you. Okay, we'll fight on the camera also. Okay, so this is my bag. I love black.
And this is my bag.
What I love in my bag is my perfume. So this is Coco Latte from Zara. I love this.
Shit
It's like
perfume.
it's very nice.
It will
Chocolatey,
give me
vanilla.
headache.
It doesn't give me headache. I have headache from each and every perfume. So this is not giving me headache. Is a very good thing. I can keep
And
all my
I'll
stuff
show
out.
you my perfume. This is Jimmy Choo. It's too
Which
good.
I got for her, but she paid for it. Okay, next. I have one more perfume in my bag, which is Bulgari. Very Bulgari.
Very goddess.
Your turn.
You do want to show more.
This is the best moisturizer for dry skin, and it's like a little pink from inside, or a little like it's pink from inside, if you can see. But I love this moisturizer. It's from Minimalist and very good for dry skin, and doesn't give you irritation, no pimples. I love it.
So here are my two glasses. One is my normal sunglasses and one is my
Can you wait and show them?
One is this is the sunglasses that I got from H&M. I'm very much into big frames, only big frames. This
Roshni.
is from H&M.
Can I also wear it and
really love
see?
it.
Frames on her face look very good. That's why I don't have any frame. What do I look like?
You look like queen. And this is my normal normal glasses, number glasses. This frame I got it from Hill Road.
She has all big frames on it.
This looks like I want to travel back to Italy. बहुत सस्ता और बहुत अच्छा है.
So very important thing in my bag is portable. Very important. Nothing more to say about
People who
it.
have never charged a phone, who gets up like half an hour before the office timing.
Secrets you're spilling. So yeah, I have something for Roshni also in my bag. Roshni, this is now वापस डाल देती हूँ, okay? So I have something for Roshni in my bag, and I don't know if she's gonna love it. But it's a very tiny little thing. Ta-ding!
ये इसको
So I
बैग में मिला तो
I didn't. No. I had kept this for Roshni only in my bag, and I kept this for you. For
If you know me, I
You
don't
want-
do sheet masks.
Bro, you said you wanted.
I don't.
I
do
told
it.
you this is this Korean
Okay,
thing which you have to
use
use
it.
overnight.
My love.
Okay, so sorry for the bad language. Okay, so nowadays I am into sketching, guys. It's just ago I started sketching. So my first thing I'll show you what I sketched is a penguin. It's just, and then this is this little drawing which I did at the same time. And today I'm a kid. I think ये पहली first time का बच्चा भी कर लेगा. But I am happy. Sketching right now, like sketching pencils, eraser with a sharpener, and it's so cute.
तुझे पता है क्या 2D, 4D, 6D, 8D किस
No,
किस
I don't know
का होता
anything.
है? Oh, something from
Okay,
my
yeah,
bag.
please. So sorry. I got distracted.
See, this is a tiny little pouch given by Muskan to me. She got it from Tira.
I have the same one. I'll also show mine. Ta-da!
Mine got dirty. Hers is still clean. Mine is
I
very
think mine is
dirty.
also dirty right now.
And this is Benefit. I love this Benetton.
Can you say who gave it to you?
Muskan only gave it to me, but first I asked her that this is. First I had called for me. Then I have this lip balm which I never use. I don't like
Can you
lip
say it again?
balms.
Muskan gave it to you.
Muskan gave it to me. And then I have a mouth
Can I
freshener.
have one?
Yes,
Thank
sure. I think you need to.
Bitch.
Then I have to 20 rupees coin. What is
Can I
in
show
yours?
something? I have the best Vaseline. So guys, it's not at 5 rupees wala Vaseline. Okay, this is like really nice Vaseline. I got. And what next? I have to show you guys my lipstick, which I'm using since 6 years now. Not the same pencil. I'm changing it. But yeah, since 6 years, this is the only color which I love and which goes on my skin. It's in skin tone. This is Calabar 014. I know the number already. Then I have Any White lip balm, which is really nice. I love lip balm, so I have a lot of it. And then nail oil. Come, Roshni will apply some. Ta-da. So I love. Roshni loves doing nails. So I gifted you one lip oil also, right? Did I? No, I did. Mine was white and yours was. I gave you one lip oil. Not lip oil, sorry, the nail oil. Why is my pouch is dirty? I don't understand. My AirPods and they are so dirty right now. I don't know. Why is this in this pouch? And this is like really 175 rupees ka lipstick, which I'll show you why I don't use cheap lipsticks. You can see, okay?
क्या हुआ उसमें?
Ta-da! So this is how it happens when you get. But I love this shade. So I'm using it. I've like used it a lot. Thank you. You want to show something now? I have little left.
Oh, we actually have the same power, by the way.
She gave it to me. She gave it to me.
We have the same power for our makeup items.
Yeah. Vitamin C, the same syrup. 2
Muskan
bottles.
is into sketching and I am more into writing. So yeah, I have like 2 shades of pen. One is red, one is blue. I love the shade red.
Can you be a shairi writer?
Not shairi, work related stuff. Then this is the lip oil was given by Muskan. In this I think I have a rosary and I have an
Can I see?
yeah, you can. Ittar. I really like ittars. because
There's
it's
a in
hot.
this.
और rosary भी होगा.
And this is rosary.
Oh, नहीं
No,
है.
this is like, oh my god. Is this some khazana
No,
chani,
it's
bro?
an evil eye. I like to carry evil eye with me. People
This
with
looks
bad
like
eye.
a khazana
And
chani.
then I have
You know,
this. I don't like to use rubber bands. I put my hair into this kind of a.
Did you give me
trench.
this and you took it away because you
No,
gave me
you
the
never
same color?
used it again, but I gave it to you.
I lost it, I think.
And
So
then I
this-
got this also. Again, no big fan of
Rubber band.
rubber bands. Yeah.
Bro, this chabi looks like really a khazana chabi. You know, jo litere. How will I explain it to you? Jack Sparrow's
Rosary
key.
also. Where did the rose?
This is like a Jack Sparrow's key. Like, I like this key.
It's an evil eye, guys. It's an evil eye. People like her put eye on me. You can't show many things. Muskan is our first video.
It's okay, we are like that.
No, we are not like this, guys. We are too good.
Too good.
Okay, that we can leave out.
Am I getting a fresh pimple?
fresh pimple? Fresh boy one.
Fresh boil, yeah. And I just use a
What's your
Elf
next product?
blush. I don't have any more products.
What are you saying? I have like a thin
Like
bunch
I'm a
of
makeup
things.
artist, but so guys, I'll tell you one story, okay? So I got a headphone before her, and she got it after me, right? After me,
Yeah.
and then she spoiled it in such a bad way, It was so dirty that she thought that new one is hers. No, like the old one is hers, which was clean, which was mine. So she fought it and took it from me. And the next day, what happened to her headphones was this. Ta-da! Can you see? It's a little damaged now. And now she knows that this is hers. This was mine.
At least now I know which one belongs to me. It's going in the bag.
Oh,
going
so
in-
I have your cleaning stuff. Oh, money is important. I have to
This
save
is
them.
my tiny little bottle or jar for my phone and for my not for my phone, for my chargers and adapter.
As I said, I love lip balms. So again, one more in my bag. This is Laneige.
And then I have 2
Chocolate
purses.
frosting.
This is a proper leather purse that I got it from one of the leather place. This is like very nice and classic piece. And it's pretty old actually. In this I don't keep anything, it's just for my basic which I got from Colaba for like 200 bucks, which I love. I like something which gets open like this, that's what I have to do. Here are all my stuff. Some passports also because I'm a little amana.
Her bag is still filled and my bag is empty, guys.
Then this is my writing book. It is full handmade.
We are doing this at office. So yeah, I don't have a lot of things in my bag. She has a lot. What do I show next? My bike keys
We both are like
and some new like my sketch thing again, a rubber. I don't know now 100 of rubbers I'm gonna buy.
Stedlers का लिया रहा
Yeah, I paid 80 rupees for this two rubber.
बहुत महंगा है. अरे बहुत महंगा नहीं, अभी तो सस्ता हो गया क्योंकि हम कमाते हैं, उस ज़माने में काफ़ी महंगा था। हम दोनों बाइक चलाते बाय द वे।
Yeah, see my bike. I told you guys right now. You know, and we share the same bike.
We have
Axis. And then share the same iPad also. Pink color. I have purple color cover and she got the same pink color cover, which I'm very sad about, but it's okay.
Then I have 2 coats.
I don't have comb because my hair texture is like this.
I have this.
I can't
too.
comb my hair is very like good. Touch wood.
Touch wood. Touch
Everywhere because I had I think 3 times
Touch everywhere.
3 times of this hair.
Touch everywhere.
This girl not safe around her.
You are very safe around me, but not safe around her.
Also now I have to get back to work, so I'll keep my stuff again in my bag. I want to like open this and try how it wraps. Ow. So I love white nails, like it just hurt me, but I like doing nails. This time I've done stick-ons, but white round almond shape, and on my legs also I have white. I can't show it to you guys right now because I can't carry my leg on top. Yeah, I can't because I'm like thick. Okay, so I'll see how this erases. What do I write? YouTube. We'll use a back page because I want. So now I'll erase it and see if this 40 rupees ka Stedler is even nice. Dropping all the time. Okay, it was my mistake. I was erasing. It was hard. I'm showing them 40 rupees ka Stedler how it is working. Not that great.
So that is what is in our bag. We have a lot of similarities. We wear the same watch also.
Yeah.
We've been wearing this watch for like more than 4 years now.
Yeah, actually. And all the color and my to hissa also one piece of it is chipped, I feel.
This is like fully gone and we cannot get it fixed because we have to buy a new one, but we love this one so.
No, we have to get a new one, but we don't have so much money, right? We are working, but
This is
TMI. So this is the Stedler. I erased it. Now you see 40 rupees ka eraser. Now I'll use this 10 rupees eraser, which is free with a sharpener, okay? Like 10 rupees 2 and 1, okay? I think both are the same, guys. Both are the same. See? Doesn't erase. Bad. 40 rupees, not working. 10 rupees is still fine if it's not working.
So this is what was there in our bag today, and this is our life.
Today is like, it's going to be for a very long time now.
No, it
It
keeps
keeps changing. One thing
Mine
comes
is-
out. Yeah, one thing goes in.
And please, if you guys really like our video, please like it.
Bro, listen.
only-
Please like and
please-
subscribe. Like,
yeah.
it's like a request. Thoda sa little,
So we
famous
can
we need to
make
get.
more videos if you guys like this video.
Being like, I am to being really famous होके थोड़ा सा likes दे दो यार, famous होना है यार. सबका videos देख के, करना था. I was telling you, let's do that TikTok videos. That time you were in little shape also. Now I'm becoming what dance step I'll do.
So yeah, if you guys like our video, please like it, subscribe it. We have a joint YouTube. We don't have a joint YouTube channel, nothing. We just gonna upload it
Yeah.
and see how much love we receive in our first review. We're not that famous that we're saying we how much
Not that
love.
famous, no, we are not famous.
No one knows us.
मेरा double chin कितना दिख रहा है. Bro, you have to look at me right now, okay? Like, just look.